Hi guys, I will be doing a PA on Aussie Yen. So in terms of correlation, Aussie is 7 and Yen is -7, so it's the strongest pair. As you can see, overall is a strong uptrend. In terms of volume, it's higher on the top side compared to the bottom. So this trap area is a area of concern, which is highlighted in this purple box. So the refresh start over here, with this candle, and this is the primary. As you can see, for the secondary, it actually probed up, so I still don't consider this level broken. And the secondary piece tries, and eventually it broke down over here. So this whole piece belongs to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. Then you can see in this primary, it came back in, and over here at this level, the volume is low. The volume is low, but the time taken is short, and also the power to the downside is strong. So we have to step aside first, and it ranges here. So when it broke up. This is probably the secondary, I would say. So as you can see, during today New York session, price is actually ranging at this level, at this huge trap area. So it shows that the trap here have nothing, and it broke up to this upside. I was looking to buy the pullback of this breakout, but prices shoot up all the way, and I have no idea how do we even enter this piece right here. So I probably wait until it came back to this level again before attempting another buy, which is probably tomorrow's Asia session. Yeah, so that will be all for my PA for today. And if you guys got any feedback, feel free to share them.